Hi everybody and welcome back after a very long time. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here very excited to announce the launch of a new course which has been requested by many of you. This course is on Python programming and it includes projects and placement preparation. Let's have a look at it. This course is the Python programming batch that we are launching on the 1st December 2021. It's a completely live sessions based course. So what you're going to have is you're going to have weekly live sessions with instructors, and you're going to make three major projects, which are a tic-tac-toe game, a very simple command line based game in which you will make the computer side as well as the player side, an email client like Gmail, but based in your command line. So from your command line, you will be able to send and receive emails. You never need to turn on your web browser again for emails. And a cryptocurrency price analyzer. That's right, I know a lot of you are into crypto these days. I'm going to show you how using Python you can download the latest prices of cryptocurrencies, and using the NumPy framework you can analyze what's the historical trends, when was the high, when was the low, and all of those price details based on of whichever cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, whichever you would want. So the structure of this course is as follows. We're going to start on the 1st December 2021, and anybody can join. Complete beginners can join because we're starting from the very basics of Python. The link of this course is obviously in the description below, and I'll open this up and show it to you as well. We're going to have three major projects as I described earlier. One is a tic-tac-toe game, then an email client, and last but not least a cryptocurrency price analyzer. On top of all of this, while you have all of these live sessions taught by me, taught by Shashank, who's also a researcher at IIIT Hyderabad, I myself have helped thousands of students get into their dream companies, be they services or product-based companies. On top of this, on top of these live sessions, you will also get coverage of all of the major companies previously asked questions. That's right, as part of this batch, you are going to get previously asked questions of all of the major services-based companies as well. So anybody who's a complete beginner looking to start their placement preparation can start it off by joining this course. You can join it by going to the link in the description below, and if I'll just open it up for you, this is the course. So I'll just show you the entire course. This is the course page, and as you can see, there's an offer going on. While the course is actually for 5,000 rupees, you would get this course at a much discounted price if you sign up before 15th November 2021, and you can also pay in installments. So for more of that, just head over to our website and reach out to our people, and they'll definitely help you out. You can go ahead and check here the different projects that we're going to do. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp or just call us. This is the entire syllabus for those of you who are interested in knowing the deep dive of it. So this is the entire syllabus. You can check it out over here. These are some of the companies that have hired our alumni. So the moment they've completed this course, they've gone on and attended these companies' drives, and they've been able to easily crack any of these companies. You can check out our YouTube channel for many such success stories of these companies and other companies as well. Here we've listed down the entire course schedule, so do check it out. Check if there are any clashes with your colleges and so on. To avoid any clashes with any college or any other activity, we've kept all of these classes in the evening at 6:30 p.m. And best of all, they're all online, so you can take them from wherever you are. You will also get a certificate at the end of this. So these are the instructors, as I've told you about. You're also going to get a certificate, a digitally verifiable certificate. So we'll give you a link for that certificate. You show it to any of your employers or interviewers, and they will be able to verify whether you've actually got the certificate from us or not. So all of this and much more is there on the platform. If you're just interested in, okay, what is this about? How do I even, how does it even work out? Simply go ahead and try out a free module. It's free. Just go ahead, try it out. Once I click this, I'm just being redirected to the free module over here. And for you, you will have to enter some details like your email ID, your phone number, and so on. Since I've already signed in, it's just directly taking me there. But you can definitely, sign up by entering your details and so on. Another great thing that we have is this concept of peer-to-peer learning, whereas you can reach out to all of your friends on the chat. And as I was showing you here, you can reach out to all of your friends on the chat, and you will also get mentor support. Mentors will be there to help you out as well. As you see, there's a tab for mentors as well. So mentors will be there to help you out in case you have any doubts or questions. So weekly, you're going to have classes, you're going to have live sessions from us. And also you can reach out to mentors in case you have any doubts in this entire program. So you can check out all of our other students who've been there, who've seen all of these courses, and they've really been successful. And if you want to get your placement journey started, and also make projects which are very important for your resume, and want to learn a great programming language like Python, one of the most future proof languages, like it is one of the fastest growing languages, probably already the most popular language in the world, so you can absolutely use Python whenever you need to, and you will always have jobs for Python in the foreseeable future. So definitely it's a great language to start learning from. And lastly, as I was mentioning, apart from you're getting all the Python basics, that is, you're getting to know everything like advanced data structures, exception handling, and all of the entire syllabus that we saw, you are also going to get company preparation. So company specific preparation for each company like TCS, Infosys, Hack with Infi, Hexaware, and as and when different companies keep coming up, we will keep adding those different questions onto this course, and you can get the previous questions of that, and you can start practicing for those. And if you're stuck on those, you can always reach out to our mentors. Lastly, as I said, you have 3 projects, not one, not two, but 3 capstone projects, and some amazing projects. These are not projects that you would have seen done before. These are new projects which you can present on your resume and hopefully impress the interviewer that you're going against, right? So yes, everybody, that's about it. I hope you've all been safe. It's been a long time since we've interacted with each other, and I hope to see you all on the Python course. And yes, from my end and from the whole Edyst team's end, we are definitely going to make many more videos to help you out as the placement cycle begins again. We're going to help you to crack the placements. I know that other important events are also coming up, so we're definitely going to make videos for those as well. As usual, you can always go to the link in the description below, or you can also click here on this link. This phone is available by call and WhatsApp. You can reach out to us there, and as usual, this is our email ID if you are still using email. I hope this was helpful for all of you. Let us know in the comments what are the other kind of courses that you would like to have. Let us know if you'd like us to make videos on some specific hiring challenges that are coming up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. If you think this will be helpful to any of your friends, please share this video with someone you know. Thank you all for joining today, and I'll catch you all next time, hopefully on the Python course itself. Thank you all, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you.